everyone, I'm Holly and I'm the Child and Youth Development Programmer at the Petawawa Military Family Resource Center. And today I have my special host scientist,
Rylan, and today we are making elephant toothpaste, and it's actually really fun.
it is a lot of fun. So we're going to start off by telling you the supplies you're going to require. So if you notice that Rylan has safety glasses on just in case any material splashes back in his face, it's always good to protect your eyes. And then he has a lab coat on. You don't need to have a lab coat if you have an apron or if you just want to wear older clothes, just in case something splashes on you, you don't want to ruin a nice outfit. So you're going to need an empty water bottle, a basin or just a container to catch the overflow for easy cleanup. You're going to need a measuring cup, and inside our measuring cup is yeast, but I'll explain that in a little bit. You need dish soap, food coloring, you can pick as many colors as you like, or as few. Hydrogen peroxide. So something I wanted to mention about the peroxide is that we're using a 3% solution. Some of the ads online suggest using a higher solution percentage. I would suggest against it, as some of those higher solutions can burn or even irritate your skin. So we're just using the simple 3% that we got at Walmart, and we always have some on hand for scrapes and cuts at home. And then a tablespoon, and a teaspoon. Okay, so let's get started. So Rylan's going to start off by pouring in the hydrogen peroxide. So we actually don't have a funnel, so he's using a cup that he can squeeze together just for easier pouring. So you can do the same if you don't have a funnel. Perfect. Then next, he's going to squirt in a dab of dish detergent. Again, some ads call for Dawn. We are using this brand and it's Palmolive and it's totally fine. So any brand of dish soap will work. And then for food coloring, Rylan wanted to use red and blue so that it would resemble the toothpaste that we use in the morning. So he's just going to squeeze the food coloring on the sides of the bottle. If you want to just squeeze it right into the peroxide, that's fine too. But Rylan likes when it explodes that, or erupts, that it looks like toothpaste. Perfect. Okay, so now the yeast. So we're using, just one sec, right? We're using dry yeast, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's more like a liquid. So if you're mixing the dry yeast, so it's 1 tablespoon dry yeast and 3 tablespoons warm water. So not hot, not cold, just warm water. You want it to be more of a liquid than a paste so that it's easy pour. And now let's see what happens. Woo! Woo! It worked. And there you have it. You have elephant toothpaste. So what's happening? So foam is something that's super neat. It's made up of hundreds and thousands of tiny little bubbles, and each little bubble is filled with oxygen. So the yeast acts as a catalyst, which is just a fancy word for helper, to remove the oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide, and it happens so quickly that it generates the foam. In other words, elephant toothpaste. Something else that's neat about this experiment is that it also generates heat, which we call exothermic reaction. So does it feel warm to the touch, Rylan?
Yeah.
It does.
And dinky.
And it does. It has an odd smell to it. So that's what we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you get a chance to do it at home with your parents as well. If you do, don't forget to add the video or picture in the comments below. We'd love to see how your elephant toothpaste turned out. Thanks so much for joining us, and see you next time. Bye.